Hi, this is Jason with Rvlockbox.com, and today we're going to show you how easy it is to install one of our new RV propane tank locks on your RV. These tank locks, they typically come in 1/2 inch size to your 1/2 inch all thread. Make sure to measure that every time before you order. If you do happen to have a 3/8 one, contact us through email, through the website, and we can send you a 3/8 inch size instead of the 1/2 inch. These brackets are made very durable. They're 10 gauge galvanized steel. They won't corrode. Very good, strong product. Nobody's going to cut that. Well, unless they find a great tool to cut it with. But it's just a simple deterrent for the folks. They want to make sure their propane tanks don't get stolen. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this swap out. We're going to see how fast we can do it. All right, we're ready to start. Okay, I'm going to take this wing nut off first. Alex, you can come up a little bit. Take this wing nut off first. And this is the regulator. We're just going to lift this regulator up over that. And we're going to replace that with our bar that we go on. We're going to go right over the existing bar that's already in place. We're going to put the regulator back on, and then we're going to put our new locking wing nut on there. We're going to spin that on, and we're going to lock it with our lock. We're going to line up one of these holes, however tight you want to get. You can lock up one of those holes, and we're finished. And how long did it take?
43 seconds.
43 seconds. That was 43-second install for security. These things aren't going anywhere. Nobody's undoing this. They're not cutting this kind of lock very easily. For the most part, it's a full-on deterrent, but it's really strong and helps folks out. Go to the website. You can take a look at the gallery. Buy one of these things. They're really cheap, and feel secure when you go out RVing this summer. Thanks for watching.